What's the meaning of crazy horse? Crazy horse. Crazy horse.
Crazy horse. Crazy horse. Crazy Horse was a Native American war leader of the Lakota Sioux tribe who lived during the mid to late 19th century. He is famous for his role in the Battle of Little Bighorn, where he led a group of warriors that defeated General George Custer and his troops. Crazy Horse is revered as a legendary figure among Native Americans for his bravery and his commitment to defending his people's way of life. Today, he is remembered as one of the most influential leaders of his time, serving as an inspiration to generations of indigenous peoples.